Hey everybody, it's Tim from Everyday Tactical Vids again, and today we're taking a look at this item from Gerber. It is the Impromptu Tactical Pen. Now the cost for this item is going to run you between $50 and $60 or $65. It's got a lot of integrated neat features, and if you need a pen that's basically a write in all conditions, all situations type of pen, this could be a good option for you. As you can see down on the bottom here, they do have these little symbols that they've added to their packaging, so this is certainly a tactical item for law enforcement, EMS, military, that type of person. And you can see here, taking a look at it, some pretty neat features. We'll take a look at the back here very quickly, and you can see some of the specs. Your overall length, 5.68 inches, so just a little bit under 6 inches. Your weight is 2 ounces. It does have a pocket clip, which is stainless steel. The barrel material is stainless steel, and it also, they noted that it has a Cerakote as well. And then the ink cartridge is a Right in the Rain all weather, and it's pressurized. So obviously you don't have to hold it just vertically. You can hold it horizontally, up and down, and whatever you need to do to actually write. And then you can see the Right in the Rain information here. So it also, one of its other cool features, that has an integrated glass breaker on the end. So basically a glass punch if you had to actually break some glass, say in a car or something like that. Here's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like in the box. And now we'll take it out for you and show you up close and personal the Gerber Impromptu Tactical Pen. Here's what it looks like outside of the box. As you can see, the Gerber logo right there on it. Got your pocket clip. Again, full metal body, and then you can see the integrated glass breaker down here at the end. Basically, it's like your standard pen, push the end, and then you can have your point come out so you can actually write. Alright, we're going to try this pen at a variety of different angles. First, just on a flat surface. You can see that this works just fine. Alright, so there you go, on a table. Okay, now I'm holding this notepad here up against the wall, so we're on a vertical surface here. And you can see again, blah, blah. That also comes out fine as well. Alright, you can see up above me we have the insulation, so you're looking pretty much completely vertically right now. I'm going to grab the pen and the pad, and I'll basically turn my back like this, and we'll write. Just make sure we got it in camera view here. See, once again, that works. Now, as I started looking at this item and I was thinking about actually reviewing it, I thought to myself, is the average person going to spend $50 or $60 on a pen? Probably not. But if you're an EMT, a first responder, you're a police officer, you are a volunteer firefighter, you are a firefighter, and you're in situations where whatever the weather is, it's inclement weather, it's snowing, raining, sleeting, whatever, and you need to get information down, it may be worthwhile to think about investing in a pen that you know will not fail. So your standard, 10 pack of Bics for $1.49 at the local, Walmart or whatever it is. Yeah, I mean, you're going to save a lot of money by buying 10 of those as opposed to something that costs $50 or $60. But if that item fails in a dire situation where you got to get notes or information down, well, it may be worthwhile to think about investing in something like this. So, very cool item. This is an EDC item for me. When it comes to having a excellent, obviously, writing utensil, this is the one that I've got with me. So again, the Gerber Impromptu Tactical Pen. You can check out the link below if you want to head over to the Gerber website to find out more information. Thanks for checking out the review. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids, and then check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr as well. Take care.